Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we break down money, mindset, and smart financial habits to help you build wealth with purpose. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your financial game, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's take control of your money the smart way. How to build wealth in your 20s, step-by-step guide. If you're in your 20s, you're probably thinking, where do I even start with money? Should I save? Invest? Start a business? Or just enjoy life while I'm young? Here's the truth. Your 20s are the most powerful decade for building wealth, even if you're not making six figures. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan to build wealth in your 20s. No fluff, no fake gurus, just real strategies that actually work. Let's build your financial future from the ground up. Step 1. Build the right mindset. Before we talk money, we need to talk mindset. Because here's a secret. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how you think. You have to stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a builder. Consumer mindset spends first, saves later, avoids risk, focuses on short-term comfort. Builder mindset pays themselves first, invests early, learns skills, focuses on long-term gain. Rich people buy assets, poor people buy liabilities. Robert Kiyosaki. Will this purchase bring me closer to financial freedom or just make me feel good today? Step 2. Master your cash flow. Now let's talk money. You cannot build wealth if you don't know where your money is going. That starts with one thing, a budget. Simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, rent, food, bills. 30% wants, entertainment, dining out. 20% savings and investment. Pro tip, automate your savings the day you get paid. Out of sight, out of temptation. Example. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. That's $600 you should be investing saving monthly. Do that consistently, and you could be a millionaire by your 40s. Download a free budgeting app like YNAB, Every Dollar, or Monarch Money, and track every dollar for 30 days. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Next, let's kill the biggest wealth killer in your 20s, high-interest debt, credit card debt, buy now, pay later schemes, car loans. They rob your future. Why it matters. If you carry $5,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest, that's $1,000 plus per year in interest. That's money that could have gone into investments. 2 payoff methods. Debt snowball. Pay smallest debts first for motivation. Debt avalanche. Pay highest interest debts first. Faster and cheaper. Choose a method, make a plan, and automate your debt payments weekly or monthly. Step, learn high-value skill. Want to build wealth faster? Learn to increase your income. In your 20s, your best investment isn't just the stock market, it's you. High-income skills to explore. Copywriting. Digital marketing, sales, closing, coding, web development, data analytics, video editing, public speaking. Use platforms like Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or YouTube. Real example. I knew someone who learned video editing in 3 months and went from $0 to $3,000 a month freelancing part-time. all before 25. Pick one high-income skill, commit to learning it for 90 days, and apply it to a side hustle or freelancing site. Step 5. Invest early and consistently. This is where the magic happens. Investing is how your money makes money. And the earlier you start, the less money you need to become wealthy. Example, the power of compounding. Start investing $300 a month at age 22. With an 8% return, by age 60, you'll have over $1 million. But if you wait until 32, you'll only have half that. Where to invest? Roth IRA tax-free retirement. 401k with employer match, free money. ETFs like SEHD, SPA, VTI, QQQ. Fractional investing apps, Fidelity, Schwab, Robinhood, SoFi. Open a Roth IRA and automate monthly contributions, even if it's just $50 to start. Step 6. Build multiple income streams. Wealthy people rarely rely on one income source. In your 20s, start stacking income streams to protect your future. Examples of income streams. 1. Summer 9-to-5 job, your shas income. 2. Side hustle, Uber, Instacart, freelancing. 3. Digital products, ebooks, templates, courses. 4. Investments, dividends, real estate. 5. Content creation, YouTube, TikTok, blogs. Example. You create a budgeting template and sell it on Etsy for $5. If 200 people buy it per month, that's $1,000 month passive income. Start one income stream outside your job. Pick one that matches your skill or interest and give it 3 to 6 months of consistent effort. Step 7. Stay disciplined and play long-term. This is the part no one wants to hear. Building wealth takes time, but the earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Consistency is greater than intensity. Saving $500 a month for 10 years is better than saving $5,000 once. Habits of wealthy 20-somethings. Live below their means. Invest automatically. Read about money and mindset. Hang around growth-minded people. Quote to remember. You can't control the market, but you can control your habits. Pick 3 daily habits that build your wealth and commit to them for 30 days. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start smart. In your 20s, you have time on your side. Combine that with discipline, and you're setting yourself up for financial freedom. Recap. 1. Build a wealth mindset. 2. Master your cash flow. 3. Pay off bad debt. 4. Learn high-income skills. 5. Invest early. 6. Build multiple income streams. 7. Stay consistent. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend in their 20s, and subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset for weekly tips to grow your income, invest wisely, and build wealth with purpose. Drop a comment. What step are you working on right now? Basel. We're here to help you master your money, build a strong mindset, and create wealth with purpose, one smart step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.